From car debt to car wealth, the ultimate financial freedom guide. I'm Ilya, I'm the founder of automotive company ILIMOTOR, and I'm pioneering customer ownership business model for the first time in the history of mankind. What do I mean? Look, if you go now buy your car, either you have the cash, you go pay, or if you don't have the cash, you are financing. By doing both of them, you are in fact losing money by the traditional business model. But if you start buying cars from ILIMOTOR, you are going to receive the car for free, completely free. Be here till the end. I'm going to explain you how. You're going to receive the car for free, and beside that, you are going to become the co-owner or investor at ILIMOTOR, and you are going to receive stocks, you are going to receive benefits from your own shares. Let me dive deeper. Here I have these whiteboards. As you see here, we have the traditional business model. If you go buy a car with the traditional business model, you go spend the money, look, you lost the money. You lost the money, don't you? You give the money to the dealer, that's all. Now the money is for him or her. Now you have one car, and the value of the car every day is going down. Right? Here is your pain point. You lose a lot of money. You are in debt. You have to go work hard, earn more, with difficulties, and pay back to that. And after 5 years, 10 years, you look at your car. Who is going to buy that old car? If they buy, they will buy for a low price, like lower price. And you have paid interest, debt, with all those difficulties. But with ILIMOTOR, look, firstly, let's say here, you lose the money, value of your car is going. But with ILIMOTOR, the ILIMOTOR is so simple. You don't buy. The car is free for you, okay? But why is it free? Because the money that you want to spend for purchasing the car, ILIMOTOR will accept it only as an investment. Here, it is investing. Which money? The money that you want to spend for purchasing your own dream car. Maybe you don't have the total amount of the car. Maybe you need financing. By the way, ILIMOTOR has financing options also. You should not worry. But the point here, you don't lose money with ILIMOTOR. Why? Because you are investing. Okay? When you invest, you are going to receive stocks or shares. You are going to receive stocks of ILIMOTOR Incorporation. And beside that, you are going to receive your own car for free. Why is it free? I, as a founder of the company, I love you. I love humanity. I love mankind. I want to add value into our societies worldwide. I want you to build wealth, not debt. No need for debt. We need to build wealth. How? By thinking, by intelligent or innovation ways that we have. Here at ILIMOTOR, you are going to invest the total amount or some of it and pay it monthly. All of them are investment. And beside that, you are going to receive stocks plus a free car, and you are the sole owner of the car, and you can resell it. You own the whole money, or you can drive the car, you can use it. And here, your stock is going to grow. You're going to have more money, more value in the coming future. You lose nothing, in fact. In fact, ILIMOTOR doubles your money from the beginning. We give you the free car. You are the owner of the car. You can sell it. And you have the shares in the company. Think about that. Let me know in the comments. Do you love the idea? Tell me that you love the idea, because you didn't have this privilege till now, but now you have. Take action now. Let me know, firstly, you love it. Secondly, go to ILIMOTOR website, ilimotor.com, and read, check information. Beside that, put your name, phone name. We are going to contact you for a free consultation to help you to use our service. And our service is available globally. Love you all. watch other videos that will pop up here or here. Subscribe the channel if you haven't, and love you all till the next